it's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. So today is another dia&co unboxing. Seems like it is March's box. So if you're unaware, dia&co is a clothing subscription box service. And no, stop, cat. Stop. Ginger, stop. She's trying to get in the box and it's still full of things for me, not for you. No. Sorry, you'll have to wait. Sorry. Anyway, they send you 5 to 6 items every month. No, stop. She's like coming from the side now. She loves boxes more than me. And you spend $20 on a styling fee, and if you buy anything, you get that $20 back. Otherwise, you kind of just spend $20 on an experience, and it's not the worst thing. They give you pre-packaged envelope or, you know, big bag to put the clothes in that you don't want. You go on their website and you review them, and if you're exchanging for a size up or down, if you're returning them, if you're keeping them, or a few other things I've never had to do, and then you pay. It charges your credit card that it has on file, and there you go. It's pretty easy to do. The hardest part is actually getting to the post office. Today's a Wednesday for me that I'm filming, and I tend to do it now if I can, because then I can just go to the post office whenever. Wednesday is my day off. Otherwise, I gotta like book it after work to get to the post office on time, because you have 5 days to try on and review your things. Then you have a note from your stylist who tells you kind of how to put the things on, and ooh, dropped it almost. And yeah, they kind of tell you not how to put it on, but like, oh, you could wear this top with any kind of bottom and any, like these kinds of boots. Like, it tells you that kind of stuff. So I got a necklace. I like when I get jewelry. They always have pretty decent jewelry. So I have Tulsa necklace in gold and white for $29. City Chic Lindsay off the shoulder jumpsuit. Okay, I've never had a jumpsuit for $99, but a size medium. I don't know if I'm a medium. Depends on if City Chic is a plus size thing or not. I have Celebrity Pink, that's the brand. Thompson ankle skinny jeans. I love me some skinny jeans, and that hit the ankle because I am short in dark wash, size 18 for $65. I have Essentials by ABS, Jacqueline knit top in olive green, size 2X for $39, and Mary Bell Sarah blouse, pink and navy, 2X for $69. The merchandise total is $301 if you minus the styling fee of $20 and the 25% off if you buy everything, which is $75.25. Then I would spend $205.75. So save almost $100 on what it's technically supposedly retail worth if I buy everything from them. Has this service stopped me from buying clothes outside of here? No, but have I found a few cool, unique pieces that I may not have gotten anywhere else? Yes. So let's try this. This is, okay, sure. I'm just gonna try a few things on and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the City Chic Lindsay off the shoulder jumpsuit in black and red, size medium for $99. Surprisingly, I don't hate the top. It says off the shoulder, but mine like won't, if it's supposed to be that low, it won't stay. It just comes up. So I think this part at least is like too big. It does have pockets, which is great. But let me show you like the whole kit and caboodle. I don't hate it, but I don't really, I'm not so into like how the legs just look, and you just step in, there's no zipper, there's nothing. It's kind of nice. It's just elastic, and then there's like this belt to keep it there, but I don't know, like this part on up is kind of cute. This part down, I'm not quite liking how the flowers sit, and I don't know if you can hear this fabric, but it's like crinkly and crunchy, and it doesn't feel nice and luxurious like how I imagine a jumpsuit should. Like, I feel like they should look nice, and then like this is gonna end up annoying me because it just kind of moves all over this collar here. And then what bra do I wear with it? I don't have any strapless bras. I'm not gonna get a bra just to wear this jumpsuit. And where do I wear this jumpsuit? With like sleeves like this, and that's supposed to be off the shoulder. I can't wear, like I can't go like this to work. Like, I don't know. I had high hopes, but this fabric would so get uncomfortable on hot days, and I don't know, but I really kind of like this on up. Like I want like just this as like a crop top. I don't want the rest of it. Does that make sense? And I don't totally get these sleeves, but if they were connected, I'd have no movement. So I get why they did that. But like, you lift your arms up and then there's just all this like fabric, and it's a big no from me. Okay, so the top I'm wearing is the Maribel Sarah blouse in pink and navy in 2X for $69. This is the Tulsa necklace, gold and white, one size for $29. I really like this necklace. I know it's like a long pendant, but I really like it. And these jeans are the Celebrity Pink Thompson ankle skinny jeans, dark wash, $65. So necklace, I think I'm keeping the necklace. It might be the only thing, who knows. This top, the colors aren't terrible. I don't mind the colors. It's just, it's like that scratchy kind of polyester, and it's got like, this comes down, but like then you scrunch it up to here so it fits, and you can see my bra through it, and like there's more give than others, but like going across like this, there's not a lot of give without like readjusting everything. And then like, I don't like, it's lined, there's a lining here, but it's not thick enough to like actually hide my bra, and there's a weird tie here that doesn't tighten anything. I don't understand tops like this, and maybe if you have like model thin body or something, this is for you, but this is not for me. The colors are fine, they're kind of muted for spring and stuff. Like the colors are fine. It's not the style of the shirt. The jeans, let's go down to the jeans. I wanted to like these so bad. They fit, they got front and back pockets. They're a little tight right now, but I know that like they'll stretch throughout the day. Sitting might not be the most fun for a while, but but like, can you see the whiskering here? I'm not sure if that's coming across on camera, but the distressing certainly is, and I'm just not sure that's me. Like, I know that's what I wanted at like 15, but I don't think I want that now. Does that make sense? I don't think I want that right now. Not the best box so far. Okay, so this last shirt is the Essentials by ABS Jacqueline knit top, olive green, 2X for $39. Price is fine, color is fine, size is fine. But like this thing, I've said before, I don't like the cold shoulder top. I've never liked it. I don't know why anyone likes it. I don't think it looks good on really anyone. Some people do pull it off better than others. Sometimes I don't really give that much of a shit to worry about what they're wearing. But I don't think this looks like good on anyone, no matter the age or the size. I don't think it's something that anyone should really be wearing. Like, I actually feel cold. Like, my shoulders actually feel cold in this, and I don't understand. And it's just kind of like, it's almost a tank top. When I first pulled this out, I was like, oh, this is gonna be a nice, basic, cool top, because it just said knit top, and I'm like, ooh, a nice, basic olive green top, that might be nice. And the thickness of this is really good. Like, this could be a nice top if it were all the way covered. And then like you have this, and I know I could make this a little looser, but then like you raise your arms up and the whole thing goes up, and then you're like all slumpy and slouchy and you gotta readjust. And I don't like this feeling. Like, it just feels tight there, and it's just like shapeless. And yeah, it's a nice green, but it's a high neckline, but then it's showing off the shoulder because that's the sexiest part of me. Not for me, maybe for you. I don't really like my upper arms that much. No. The cat's going in the bag of my reject items. But like, I think I'm gonna keep this necklace because it's really cute and I don't have anything like it. And since I've already paid $20 and this is $29, I'll pay another $9 and get to keep something. Sorry, Gabe. Not the best styling of me. I don't know, like I'm pretty sure I've said that I don't like cold shoulder tops. I don't really like polyester. I don't know how many more times I can say it. I stopped doing dia&co for a while, and maybe it is time to try like Stitch Fix Plus, but I watch people unbox it, and I'm not always super happy with that either. Like I look at it, I'm like, but who knows? Maybe it's time to give that one a try, because the past few months I've gotten like 1 or 2 things, and like this month I'm getting one thing, but that's a necklace. It's not even an item of clothing, it's a necklace. These are supposed to be like fun extras, not the one thing I get because it's the only thing that doesn't make me look hideous. And like the pants feel way more comfortable than they did a few minutes ago. But if they were solid without this whiskering and the distressing, which is so 90s and early 2000s. And yes, this top goes with the pants way better than the other top did. But I'm not into this anymore. At least like the placement of it. Like here's a like upper thigh is a weird placement. This is still the upper thigh, but like this is like way up the upper thigh. I'm just not feeling it. Like it's not terrible. Like if it was wear this or go naked, totally would wear this. But I have other clothes that I like a lot better, and I wouldn't choose this outfit or any of the other things in this box over things that I own. Things that I just did laundry on. Yeah, Ginger, wouldn't pick this over them. So, not the best box, not the happiest, but you know, I hope you guys are happy. I hope you liked what you got in your box, or at least like tell me what you think about this stuff, cause yeah. And if you see the door moving, don't freak out. I've got windows open and the sliding glass door in the front way open, so it kind of makes a whoosh whoosh, yeah, whatevs. Alright. We've had better experiences together, dia&co. We've had much better experiences. This one is not one of them, sadly. All right, everyone, have a good day, have a good week, have a good life. I'll see you next time. Oh my God, cat, seriously. And until I see you again, as always, go pet a cat. Bye.